But you may get experience the way which I have not written in the book. You may get experience in another way, but you will get experience. That much I can tell you.
Hmm.
So please read that.
Definitely.
And
And
second,
I
last point is that we are living in an infinite existence, in a very massive thing. Lots of possibility and probabilities are there in this. Please do not
hmm.
conclude on everything. If you draw all kind of conclusions, then there is nothing to move forward. You know this,
Hmm.
everything we have concluded in this present problem.
Hmm.
The society is that everybody has concluded. Scientists has concluded. You have
Hmm.
concluded. I have concluded. My neighbor has. Everybody has concluded about everyone else.
Yeah.
Who
Everybody
is
is so
good
sure
and who
about
is
like
bad. So when everybody has concluded, then this infinite existence, how we'll know then? That is the problem. We'll not move at all. So please stop all conclusions from your mind. Whatever I am saying, you please
hmm.
experience this.
Yeah. Be
Spiritualism,
like open.
and this is the beginning of the spiritualism. Spiritualism in a deeper sense come at much later stage. But
Hmm.
with this much thought, whatever background one you may have, you can always read and enjoy this because it's a knowing yourself. knowing
And
consciousness is knowing consciousness is like knowing oneness. So there is nothing like I can say for me,
hmm.
not for you. It's nothing like for everyone.
Like I said, it's the cornerstone in 21st century, cornerstone book of 21st century. If someone is, willing to begin his journey, have answers to the questions that he always thinks but never really bothers about. But it has done a lot of change in me for sure. It has made me more of a silent someone who would question himself on a daily basis, and that I can just feel that silence, like, yeah, I'm getting answers. Like, like you are a teacher, right? And that shows, like, you teach. I was totally guided on to like a
Yeah,
very
no,
good.
it is a see the new generation of teachers will be like this in sitting in classroom. They will not come with the pencil, torch, and anything. They will just
Hmm.
sit across each other and they will become silent and they will learn everything. This kind of learning is going
Silence
to
is the
become
new
happen
voice. Silence is the new voice.
because we are capable to learn in silence. That somehow we miss that.
Right. And with that, I'm putting this particular session to silence.